All right, everybody, I'm back again. I'm sorry it's been a couple months since I posted that original video, and I never got around to posting this updated video of the finished product of where I basically just took it. It was in the floor here, and I took it, I stood it up, and set it there, and there you go. It goes all the way to the top. For people that were wanting and sharing in the comments with me about, didn't see the finished product. Here it is. I'm sorry I didn't get around to it. Life happens. But what I do want to say is, I have, these are 12-foot ceilings. And I realize that some of you may have taller. I'm not sure if it would fit that if you have taller than 12. But many of you will probably have shorter ceilings than this. As it currently is, this probably wouldn't fit any shorter of a ceiling. What you would have to do is then start taking out some of these links. When I had it laid in the floor, I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different parts, 5 different poles. You're going to have to take some of those out before you install it. What I would do, you wouldn't leave out the first pole and you wouldn't leave out the second pole, but probably the third or fourth pole, you would have to take out and then just still, put it together as is. Because if you try to use all these poles on an 8 or either, I don't know if there's anything shorter than 8-foot ceilings, but it would be just it would be too tall and probably end up poking a hole through your ceiling. So take out not the first, not the second one, maybe the third or the fourth pole. And you have to experiment with it, which one, but that's going to shorten it and make it fit in the shorter ceilinged homes. So here's the finished product. You see how it tremendously helps my wife and my products that we use. So if any other questions, just put them in the comments and I'll try to ask. It's pretty straightforward. I literally put this thing together on the floor, stood it up, push the shelves down on top of the rubber bands to where they're sticking, and you can adjust those as is. But great product. We've enjoyed it. Any questions or comments, add them down below. And thanks again.